Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to install Dota 2 game on your Steam or your PC. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to install the Dota 2 game on your PC from Steam, first open up your Steam and let's log into our Steam account. And after logging into the Steam, let's close this for now. No thanks, finish. Now to add the Dota 2 game on your Steam, you can see the add game available when you are on the library of the Steam. This is the store. You can also see the add a game on the bottom left corner of your screen. Let's click on the add a game, and you can see to add a non-Steam game, to activate a product on Steam, or to browse the Steam store for the games. We'll be browsing the Steam store because Dota 2 is available on the Steam store itself. And let's go. And after that, let's search for Dota. And on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the search option available over here. Click on search and type in Dota 2 like this, and you can see the free version, and it's on the top over here. Now to install it, you can see it's free to play on your PC without paying any sort of fees. Now to install your Dota, let's click on Dota 2. And after that, you can see the play now button available over here. Click on play now, and it will start to download the procedure to download the Dota 2 game on your Steam account. Let's click on next, and let's finish. Let's let the download for the Dota 2 finish, and let's wait for it. You will be required to wait a few moments. And you can see now Steam is downloading Dota 2. Let's track the progress of Steam, and now it's finished. And on the library, you can see Dota 2 is being downloaded over here. It's currently 16.66 GB. Let's let it download. And now guys, the download process of Dota 2 is going to be finally completed. But before completing, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, because it takes a lot of effort and patience to make these kind of videos. And if you like and subscribe my videos, I'll be motivated to do even more help guides to you. And it has been downloaded. Now let's wait for the final setup to be done. But before that, guys, I do appreciate it if you like it and subscribe it. And this Steam is verifying Dota 2 game, either it's properly installed or not. And let's let the Steam verify Dota 2 first. And there guys, the Dota 2 game has been successfully installed on our Steam. And if you want to play it, just click on the green button which says play, and it will initiate a synchronization of Steam Cloud, but I'll not be playing it right now. And there guys, this is how you install the Dota 2 game on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.